As one of the most commonly used precious metals today, gold is favored all over the world. Expensive price is what people think of when it comes to gold. So, do you know how gold bars are made? Today, let's follow the process of making 100% pure gold bars. The process of making expensive 100% pure gold bars. Initially, we have 2 kgs of gold bullion. However, to remove impurities, we need to heat it at a high temperature. It is known that the temperature that makes gold melt is about 1064 degrees Celsius. Continuously burning gold at high temperature for it to melt, turning from solid to liquid. And then start pouring into the mold. Wait until the gold turns solid, take it out of the mold, and dip it in water to remove impurities. To make gold bullion into the desired shape and size, we need presses and cutters. Take small gold bars through rollers to press into thinner gold sheets. Repeating this process, we see the gold plates have become thinner, and then cut it into the desired pieces. The worker put each gold strip into a press, put it in the right position, and then press the operation button. The result is small rectangular pieces of gold. Although small, the price is very high. Each piece of gold must reach the correct weight of 11.25 grams. After measuring the correct weight of each piece of gold, the worker put them all in a box containing metal balls, doing this so that the gold can be shiny and much more beautiful. The next step is to use a press to print the information and brand on the top of each piece of gold. Finally, after making the gold bars, the worker put them in cards or molds to bring out the transaction. Looking at the brilliant gold bars is really beautiful, isn't it? Those are the ways to make gold manually. So, how will the big factories handle the operating process? Let's follow along. First, the solid gold bars will be melted at high temperature in order to remove impurities and mold into the desired mold. As can be seen, each stage is very complicated and requires highly skilled workers. After removing all impurities in the solution, the gold is put into a mold to be pressed into ingots, and finally, the brand name and information are printed on each gold bar. So, we already know how gold bars are made, right guys? It is also possible to form gold coins of different sizes. Above is the process of creating 100% pure gold bars. They are made from mined pure gold blocks. So, how do we extract gold from gold mines? You are witnessing a huge gold casting factory, including all processes from mining to creating gold bars. This factory is installed right next to the gold mine. The mining machines operate continuously. It is very rare to find blocks of gold, but they are in the form of crumbs mixed in the soil. Therefore, all layers of soil must be transported to the factory and then filtered. After going through the process of removing the soil layer, the mixture of soil and gold chips is put into a high-temperature furnace to melt into a solution. After the mold is released, the gold bar is still full of impurities. Through the process of treating impurities, the gold is put into the molding machine. So, we have obtained 100% pure gold bars already. The gold bars will be traded or further processed into small pieces of gold or jewelry for easier consumption. Gold bars are fed into the press to create different sizes. Continue to form fine strands through the spindle into thin gold threads so it will be easier to style the jewelry. Depending on the needs of the buyer, the workers design it so that it is beautiful. Thus, the transaction volume will be higher. So, we have just watched the process of making 100% pure gold bars. If you like it, please press the like button and leave your comments in the comment section. Goodbye and see you again.